Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. Over time I've been compiling some complaints that about live trading and all of that, so I will be showing you guys a live trading I had not quite long this morning, so you guys can really understand how I use this strategy to trade easily. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Trust me, there will be load of goodies coming your way. So let's head into the live trading section. So this is the live trading. So I've analyzed my chart right now, and I'll just go ahead and place the order. Okay, so I'll be placing about 2 to 3 orders. So, and I'll be waiting to take just a minute. I'll be taking 5 minutes candle, then we'll call it a show. Okay, so I'll be using the lot size of 4.1. so with that lot size I should be able to make about $20 plus in a 5-minute candle. Okay, so as you can see, our chart, our dashboard is dominated by uptrend, so that shows that we can enter the market because this is crash, so we trade it in the uptrend. Okay, sorry, this network is a drag, so the order are not executing yet, but let's wait and see. They will soon come up. Okay, so I have an order ongoing before from range break. Okay, so kindly disregard that. So I'll be creating more orders to make it 3 or thereabouts. Okay, so the second order has come through, so let's see if we can create one more or 2. Okay, the network is a drag, sorry. Okay, the third one has started, so let's create one more. So we'll just wait for the server to accept the order and we can move on. Take this. Oh, damn, so that is a little crash. Okay, so little crashes like that might happen, they are bound to happen, so they might not, the arrow might not signify. Okay, you can see the first one and the second one that just happened right now. So little spikes like that, you don't have to worry about them since the arrow doesn't signify them, so we'll just wait for it to recover. Okay, so wait for it to recover, but take note, do not open multiple orders. Okay, do not open multiple order on a small account. It is very bad. Okay, because when you open multiple order, it compound it add up the lot size, and it will add up to big number. Like if you are trading $100 and you are using 0.5 and you open like 3 of it, that is using like 1.5 for the account, which is very high. Okay, so we'll wait for this order to just take us to profit all of it except the range break. So the range break is not part of this live video. Okay, but I have it ongoing on my account, so I don't want to close it in negative balance. Okay, so you can see there's a crash there, so and we have a crash ongoing right now, but you can see that it is going up. So if you leverage on your lot size, little crashes like this that can take $18 will not have much effect on your small account. So if you don't, let's assume you are trading $100 and you open 2 order, little crash like that takes about $18, you take about 36 if you open 2 order with 4.0, and before you know it, you are in big trouble and running risk of blowing your account. Okay, so you must try as much as possible to avoid that all of the time. So there's no doubt this will take us to profit back. You can see that the candle is going up again. That's just a small retrace, so the candle is going up back, so and we'll be able to close our trade in positive balance. Okay, so we'll just wait for it to recover. So we still have about the biggest deficit is about $13 or so, so we'll still be working on that. So we are still here, we are still watching it to go all the way back up, so that is the essence of having a working strategy. Okay, once you get your hands on this setup, those of you that have it already, stick to a plan. Okay, you want to take one candle, is it 5 minutes? Okay, you want to take one candle or 5 minutes. Then once you take it, then you move. And one good thing is, once you have a candle that retrace like that and go back right up, you must be very careful of such candle. When we explained our candle formation and all of that, we explained those type of candles. Okay, so you must be very careful. Okay, as you can see, that started a new candle, and you can see the candle in between, so that is not a complete candle. So if you watch my video on candle formation, you will know that when such candle happens, you must be very careful. It might try to have a retrace or a reversal in the market trend, but we will wait until we have our positive balance before we can call it a show. Okay, so we'll just wait and have positive balance in all these two orders going. So the third one is on positive balance already, because we entered late. Maybe we entered after the spike or after the crash, sorry, after the crash. So the other two that we created before the crash, we wait for them to enter positive value. Okay, this first one has entered, remain the second one. So once the second one enters, then we'll think of closing our order. So that way we would have taken 5 minutes. That's a single candle. Because if you can check the second order below, the third order or the fourth one, because I'm saying the third because that range break, I don't want to add it to this live trade, because I won't close it, I will leave it. I have a projection for it and it must reach its target before I close it. So we have less than $2 to go. So once we reach a blue or positive value for our other trade, okay, so we've reached our target. So we just want to wait and take small profit before we close our orders. Okay, so do not mind the range break, it's not part of our live trading. So I only opened 3 orders for this live trading. The range break has been there for some time. Okay, so we'll be waiting to just take little profit before we call it a show. So if you are keeping to taking a single candle of 5 minutes and you enter at the wrong time and check the dashboard to know the trend of the market, you won't have much of a problem. Okay, because if there's any small crash or a small spike, it will bring it back to profit. That's assuming if you are using a capital of $100 to trade, and you are using a 0.5 lot size, and you open a single trade and it went against you, but you are sure of the market trend, then you wait for it to bring it right back. Once it bring it right back and you are in a small profit, then you know to exit the market. Okay, so we've taken enough profit, so we are about to close our trade now. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you use this method to trade easily. So thank you and bye for now.